Hello and welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, well, we're going to do some more tunnel runs in the FN2. We haven't done them in the FN2 yet, have we, Ed?
It was about time we did some more tunnel runs, wasn't it? Because we really enjoyed it last time.
Yeah, it was good
fun. But now we've got a quick, loud car to do it in.
Yeah, we have. And I've left the boot open.
You haven't, you? What a nutter.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Lunatic. Anyone can come
put my cameras in there, left the boot open, they're over there. Now, who knows? Yeah. But Ed's got his Japspeed single exit. And
catback, yeah.
He's been on the car for about 5 weeks.
Yes.
So, you know, essentially Ed's going to go through what he thinks of it, how good he thinks it's been, the sound of it. Obviously, I'm going to capture the sound by standing outside of the tunnel filming. And it'll sound good. And
recently, mate, it's been sounding even louder.
Yeah.
Because I've been driving a hybrid.
Yeah. So getting back into this.
It feels amazing coming back into the car. And from just going in the CRZ that has no sound to something that's got some sound, it's just really, really heightened in this.
Oh, I bet.
So I'm looking forward to knowing what it sounds like going through that tunnel. And mental note, don't let off.
No, don't.
I was letting off in that CRX one night.
As soon as you hit third, on the crest, on the build up to the tunnel.
Yeah.
Like hoon around the roundabout second. Yeah. Smash it into third, right through the tunnel doing some speed, and then ooh, it's going to make a sound.
We'll see.
I wonder.
Yeah, I think you might be right, but that's the trouble. Last time I was changing gear mid tunnel, and we didn't get that sound we wanted. No. So I need to hold it in either second or third, like you said.
Yeah, because the
VTEC kicking in with the exhaust.
The best thing about the previous tunnel run video was obviously my Accord making no sound whatsoever, but going through quite fast.
Yeah.
Whereas Ed was in his CRX, who, you know, rest in peace. It's not dead, but it's sold.
Yeah.
I'll stick a picture here. There we go. Yeah, right in front of Ed's face. That's where the picture will be. But that car sounded amazing, but Ed changed up too early. So to be fair, you might be alright just staying in second, but he changed up too early, let his foot off the gas. Yeah. And to be fair, that car gave you the illusion that you were going fast. It did. But in reality, it wasn't that fast at all.
I don't think we were top of the national speed limit.
No.
So, but we'll see what we're doing in this. It's a nice quiet Sunday.
Yeah.
Hopefully, we'll be alright, won't we?
Yeah, we will.
Should we go for it?
Yeah. I'm going to leap out and get set up. So
as bows.
And I'll leave it at that.
Right, guys, here we go. We're going to go for the first tunnel run. I can hold it in second for a bit. Let's have a look now. Ooh. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. My God, that does feel so good. Because the last time I did this, guys, was in the CRX, if you remember, and yeah, that only had a little 1.5, but now we're in this 2-litre monster with this Japspeed catback. I think I'm just going to hold it in second now. Hold it in second. Here we go, second time through. Now. That was pretty special. Whoa, did you hear that? I revved out, it went. So I rev that again. So let's go back round. I can smell the VTEC burning. Oh, it's completely worlds apart, because like I said, I still remember how the CRX drove, especially through here. So I might do first and second. Go into third now, hold on. So I'm in third now, coming up a bit of distance. So ready, steady, full half hours rest now. I go back into try second and just get it to rev out. Which I know is not good for the car, but it just sounds a lot better. And I've got a blooming cyclist on the way. Go on, mate, you haven't got a VTEC. Hold on, here we go. So let's drop it down into second. Here we go, ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, that was something special. Jeez, this car's quick. And obviously, because I've been daily in the CRZ, it does feel really hunkered down, really driver focused, absolute animal. And I sort of, in a weird way, fallen out of love with this car, because I'd fallen in love with the CRZ, but just driving this now, it's brought back all sorts of emotions for me. What'd you say? What'd you say?
Don't change gear as you're coming through the tunnel.
I can't help it.
I know, just don't.
So there you go from Alex. Do not change gear. I can't help it, guys. It's just natural. You want to change gear. Should we just hold it in? We'll hold it in third then. Let's hold it in third. Because I don't want to ruin the. Oh my God! Look at this learner. Where's she going? Oh, what's she doing? Oh, for God's sake. Oh, I can't hold back either. Oh, for God. Oh, blimmin' hell. Sorry, guys, the bloody learner. Ready, we go. And we're going to blow the car up. God, this blimmin' learner. She was just so slow. I don't know why she's... Where's she going? I can smell real bad oil burning now. It's a bit stinky, guys. It's a bit smelly. It's a bit smelly. Very smelly indeed. Smelly little baby. So we're going to do one more. I think I'm going to do it in third. We'll keep it in third. There we go. I can't believe that learner is in the way. Here we go. Brakes, hard on the brakes. I think I said that exactly the last one. I think, yeah, let's hold it in third is your best bet. Because second gear was ragging it a bit. Oh, here we go, last time through, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. And the exhaust sounds amazing. Here we go. What a car. Right, guys, that was fun. Some nice wholesome fun there, and I think now Type R needs a rest. Peace out, peeps.
Hello. So
welcome back.
welcome back to tunnel running, a car that actually is worthy of tunnel running.
It was awesome, mate, wasn't it? Like, it's so hard not to change gear, and then obviously you give me a bit of pep talk. Don't change gear. So I left it. So I found third, I could leave it in and get it right up past VTEC. Second was just bottoming
too
out,
much, wasn't it? Yeah.
So yeah, we got caught behind a learner, which is a pain.
I did the universal sign of put your foot down, which is this.
I thought he was going to slow down.
No,
I thought you were doing that. Oh.
No, slow down would have been.
Oh, that's cut.
Yeah, no, but like slow down in that situation. Yeah, maybe it's cut. Who knows?
Yeah.
Who knows? Universal hand signs for whatever. I mean,
but
yeah, this car sounded amazing. The Japspeed single exit,
stunning,
winner.
Mate. It's
winner.
Stunning. It sounds brilliant. Really good quality. Big thank you to Danny at Dino Ace for it. A cracking deal on it, and I'll recommend it to anyone's got an FN2 who wants a catback. The value for money I've got out of this. Incredible, mate.
Yeah,
incredible. Yeah. It was really good. It was really good parts, wasn't it? It was all well machined and welded. Fully recommend it. And I think even Chrissy from CWD is
CWD 40.
It's CWD 40 is he's considering getting a Japspeed catback single exit because it's that good. Yeah, not that he's copying. But I'm gonna get some Teen Springs, so there.
Yeah.
But it's because it's that good. You cannot not have it.
No.
So yeah, fully recommend from me. I did say in my other little video of me doing the tunnel runs that having the CRZ kind of fallen out with this one a little tiny bit, but that's just completely been quashed. Fallen back in love with it again because it's just an absolute machine.
That's it. I think it's one of those things, isn't it? It's like when you're driving something that satisfies you, like the CRZ does for you. It satisfies you because it's quick enough when it needs to be. It's easy to drive. It feels, it's very comfortable.
It's stunning.
Got to say, it's more comfortable than the FNT.
100%.
Yeah, like even the seats are nicer.
I don't know if
the seats are nicer. These definitely, if you're hooning around some country lanes, these are the seats you want.
Well, if you've got a bit more timber, like you're probably
me.
You're probably sitting on the lumbar support, but I'm quite in some lumbar support because I'm not that wide here.
Nor am I. What's your waist size?
34.
Mine's 34.
Yeah, 34 stone.
Oh, savage.
Like a fat Tom Selleck.
I am today, I decided,
I was
waiting for this to be brought up. I decided I just wanted to rock an 80s dad touch, and so that's what I'm doing.
Not Magnum PI, Magnum the chocolate ice cream.
Dick. Anyway, on that note,
I love him to bits.
For all of you viewers out there that refer to us as bum boys, that was for you. But
I love him.
Oh, I love him.
I love him like my own. Yeah. What's that out of?
Braveheart. I love you. What's half? I mean, to be fair, your Scottish accent's better than your Australian accent.
Good eye. Hey, that was all right.
Yeah, but you went, put a shrimp on the barbie.
I can't do shrimp on the barbie. but I can do, I like your FNT.
Good.
There's been no murder. Do you remember that?
Taggart,
yeah.
And
Taggart.
Robbie Coltrane as
like a young Robbie Coltrane.
Fuck off. Fucking hell.
Brilliant.
I'm free.
You can tell I'm on a high.
Yeah, you can tell.
I just got a buzz.
The,
I've just got a buzz. So I'm like, ooh.
Yeah, it was yes, I don't even need to find another clip. That's fine. That's perfect. He's done it twice. Anyway, on that note, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, then please subscribe, turn on notifications, comment, like, find us on Instagram and Facebook.
I'm regular on Instagram now.
And Ed's got his own profile, as do I, but the SULKNATIOntv one you'll be able to find either of us from. And until the next time.
We're getting close to 1,000, guys. So big thanks. We want a big push for Christmas, don't we?
Yep.
And we've got some giveaways coming to celebrate the 1,000 subscribers. But yeah, we can't do it without you guys. So please subscribe.
At time of filming, we've got we've got 110 to go. Exactly 110 at time of filming.
Come on, guys. So really help us out. Just means we can provide just ridiculous content like we're doing for you.
And we'll do a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers.
Even now we'll do a naked run, he said something
like
maybe.
I mean, I was thinking maybe I shave my head to celebrate 1,000 subscribers and just rock a skinhead and a tash. I mean,
yeah. You look like them, Charles Bronson. Well, the Tom Hardy one, you're losing weight like the Tom Hardy one. He was stacked in Tom Hardy one, wasn't he? In the film Bronson.
Anyway, just to move away from Ed calling me fat in many different ways, I've been me, you've been you, Ed's been Ed, and well done for that.
I like your FNT.
Oh, God.